torsionist and be stuck up underneath the dash of a L98 Corvette. Or up underneath a 2000s model 2.6 liter or 2.7 liter twin turboed Audi A6, putting a clutch in, which you take the 6mm clutch plate, which is called a pressure plate, out, and you literally have to beat the living dog snot out of 6mm short bolts just to get the old clutch out, and you have to spend almost $175 to get new bolts for just the pressure plate to hold the clutch in.
Sounds like a lot.
Yeah. Well, when you go hunting for clutches for that A6 Audi that I currently own, the cheapest one I was able to find and purchase was just a hair underneath $500.
Wow.
Okay, you can quit being mean now. Oh, I love when my hands cramp up from working in small spaces. It's always so interesting.
Alright, I know the feeling.
Because it hurts.
It does.
Hi, guys. Like I said, living conditions underneath the Chrysler Sebring is kind of small and compact, but once you're able to get to where you can... Oh, lovely. Rice rocket's back. Lower alternator bolt.
Ah.
Now...
How you doing?
Just go ahead and put it in the truck.
All right, sweetheart. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I shall give former introductions later. Let me have my hand back. Ow. Stabby McStab from the broken front bumper. Oh. Ah.
Yeah, I gotta get that part fixed too. I didn't know that this side was like that too.
Oh. Ouch.
Well,
that hurts. But unfortunately, I was wrong about how to remove the alternator. Because of the way that they have this Chrysler designed, you have to pull it from the top. And the joys of working on cars. They always tend to knock your hats off. No puns intended, by the way, for all you punny people out there. Lord have mercy, I need to put a muffler on my car. Blow it up, it'll be sitting in my yard and I'll have to rebuild it for you. Sorry.
it's okay. I enjoy the comedy.
Comedy? You want comedy? Try dealing with 7 children. And you want comedy? And then you wonder why I'm so stressed. And start to have gray hair. I'm only 33. 34 in December.
Really?
Yep.
Well, I guess that makes me older than you.
Ah.
I turned 34 in November.
You're not that much older than me.
I respect your elders.
Respect your elders. Respect my elders. Well, you know what? On that note, I'm going to take my smoke break. I'm going to respect my elders by going over here.
We're gonna take a small smoke break. Hold it back. And just so y'all know, I don't smoke.
Nice.
Yeah, the mechanic smokes, I don't.
And then you wonder why. Look at what I have to deal with.
Friends like me.
Family like you. If I had friends like you, I wouldn't need enemies. Because I'd be constantly busy.
Alright guys, we'll be back. This is going to be the end of this video. It's going to be a 2-part video. So I'll be back on part 2. And as always, love and peace until next we meet.